Hello everyone, that's right, this is your maintenance guy Eddie York over here at Woodbine Apartments in Sherwood under the supervision of none other than Make It Happen Hadar or Kibi. I always have problems with his last name, or Kibi, you know. So what we did here, instead of going granite, we decided to go with a laminate custom made countertop that I've just installed for him to do that. We also went with, you can see the fixtures above the sink. Here in the next day or two, we're about to cut a hole right here so we could mount the sink. Other things that I've done for him today is, look up here, we have a slope ceiling, so we actually had to put an adapter on this right here for the ceiling fan. You want to come in here and look. We're still under the renovation phase, of course. Some of our painters have just got done. Of course, I went ahead and did the ceiling fan in here. Our bifold doors are up because our marvelous painter, that's the way we do things around here. We put the doors out like that and let them spread. Again, another ceiling fan in here. You can see the kind of color that Hadar went with. It's like a taupe, good tan color. And it just pops off the white ceiling and then off the white baseboard that he put down. It just pops. It has a really good homey feeling. Of course, we go with the white blinds as well. You come here to his front door. His front door is even painted white on this side. We're going to be putting, of course, the white cabinets. You can see those, and then we have some white appliances here that we're going to put up for him as well. You know, some of these appliances we're going to clean up and put back in. A little cost savings there, you know. No need to buy a brand new one when you have one already in the unit that's working tremendously well, where you can go in and just spit shine it a little bit and make it happen. Right here at Sherwood Apartments, I'm Eddie York, your maintenance man. We'll see you soon, bro. Make it happen.